Hi, I'm Wes. Today I'm going to be working on a 1999 Mazda 626, and the symptoms are that the transmission is slipping. I've had it at a different shop a couple different times. They've told me thousands of dollars, and to be honest with you, this is just an old car that I've had for 15 years now. I just keep it running however I can. So hopefully a little bit of knowledge I can pass on to you today will save you some money. The neutral safety switch is about $45, and it completely erased my transmission slippage issues. So I'm just going to show you what I did. It's real quick, real simple, and hopefully I can save you guys some money. So the first thing I did, of course, I took the negative terminal off the battery. I've got a wheel chock in place because as I change the neutral safety switch, the vehicle has to be in neutral. So I'm going to put the vehicle in neutral. Vehicle's in neutral, safely chocked. Negative is out of the way of the battery. And then this is all I do right here. I've got an electrical connection up top. This is your air filter housing. This is going to be super simple. Okay, these ones I already did. You've got this hose and this hose. All you do is take a screwdriver to it. There's a bolt here that holds the air filter housing in. There's two nuts on this side. All you got to do, they look like this right here. Just 3 items, just like that. And then boom, this comes right out, exposing the neutral safety switch, which is right here. Get a video close up of that, please. So to change a neutral safety switch, pop off this connection. Okay, it's going to be a 5/16. Okay, there's one bolt. Two bolts. Okay, and out it comes. And that's it. So this item right here saved me thousands of dollars, and all the symptoms were just transmission slippage. So I hope this helps you. I hope it saves you some money. It's super simple to do. It took me 20 minutes to do it. It's real easy, real simple. You guys have a good day. Thank you.